No circle, no return. Just a straight line through the dark. Electron meets positron, and the smallest flash may leave the greatest mark. Yeah, two beams begin the journey from opposite sides, accelerating forward on precision-guided lines. Electrons from one direction, positrons from the other. Matter meets antimatter, one reflected in the other. Unlike protons built from particles hidden deep inside, these are point-like players with no structure left to hide. Cleaner interactions, every signal comes through clearer. When the noise is pushed away, the truth is getting nearer. No endless race in circles, no repeated track to run. The beams move straight ahead until the collision comes. Less energy is lost from bending particles around. So precision, not just power, is the strength that can be found.
Straight ahead, the beams ignite.
Follow the signal through the night.
In a moment, worlds collide.
Hidden answers come alive.
Straight into the unknown, where the seeds of stars are shown. Electron and positron meet with space and time, move on.
We measure Higgs, we test the light. Search for physics out of sight.
The IOC may help us see
what shapes the whole reality. Superconducting cavities are driving every beam. Radio frequency power feeds the high energy machine. Cooled to nearly 2 Kelvin, colder than the distant night. Keeping resistance low and every system running right. Up to 35 megavolts can push through every meter, turning careful engineering into one precision leader. Dampen rings compress the beams, focus narrow, sharp and clean, while the magnets hold the path beyond what human eyes have seen. More than 30 kilometers could run beneath the ground in the Kitakami region, where the strongest rock is found. More than 300 institutes, over 30 nations strong, building knowledge without borders, proving science can belong.
straight into the unknown, where the seeds of stars are shown. Electron and positron meet with space and time, move on.
We measure Higgs, we test the light. Search for physics out of sight.
The IOC may help us see
what shapes the whole reality. The Hadron Collider discovers through a storm of energy. The IOC would measure with extreme fidelity. How does Higgs connect to matter? How exactly does it fade? Could a tiny deviation show the laws must be remade? When there's Boson and a Higgs emerge together in the light, even hidden Higgs decays can still be brought into our sight. Dark matter, new dimensions, particles we cannot name. One unexpected signal could rewrite the cosmic game. Starting at a few hundred gigay electron volts of force, future upgrades could extend the accelerator's course. Up to 1 electron volt may one day be the goal, but accuracy, not raw power, is what gives the machine its soul.
through the silence, through the cold. Hidden stories will unfold in the smallest burst of light. We may learn what built the night.
We are not staring outward at another distant sun. We are looking deep inside to learn how everything began.
Straight into the unknown, where the seeds of stars are shown. Electron and positron meet with space and time, move on.
We measure Higgs, we test the light. Search for physics out of sight.
The IOC may help us see
what shapes the whole reality.
The path is linear, the questions have no end,
Two beams, one collision.
and a new world may begin.